Breaking news, Sean Diddy Combs just heard the verdict in his explosive federal trial for sex trafficking and racketeering. This case has kept the nation on edge for weeks, and I've got the full breakdown on what went down in that courtroom, the charges, and the reactions you won't believe. So here's how it all played out. Today, the jury handed down its decision on every single count. Diddy was facing 5 charges, some of the most serious in federal court. Let's break them down. Count 1, RICO, or racketeering conspiracy, not guilty. Count 2, sex trafficking involving Cassie Ventura, not guilty. Count 3, Mann Act transportation with Cassie Ventura, guilty. Count 4, sex trafficking involving a woman identified as Jane, not guilty. And finally, count 5, another Mann Act transportation charge, guilty. So here's the bottom line. Diddy was acquitted of the biggest charges, racketeering and sex trafficking, but he was convicted on 2 counts related to transporting someone for prostitution under the Mann Act, and those are still serious felonies. If he'd been convicted of RICO, or sex trafficking by force or coercion, he could have faced up to 20 years for each. Instead, the 2 Mann Act convictions carry up to 10 years each. It's a complicated verdict, and it's already sending shockwaves through the entertainment world. And before I go any further, if you want more major trial updates and inside scoops on celebrity cases, make sure to subscribe to Judgment Point and support the channel. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Now, back inside the courtroom, when the verdict was read, the reaction was electric. Diddy dropped to his knees, prayed, and thanked God. His family and lawyers surrounded him. His attorney, Tenny Haragos, was actually in tears. People in the gallery started clapping, and someone called the legal team a dream team. It was pure emotion after weeks of tension. Cassie Ventura, who was at the center of a lot of the testimony, also made headlines. Her lawyer praised her for coming forward, saying she's made an indelible mark on the fight for justice in the industry. He called her brave, and said this case shows the need for real change in entertainment. To recap, this trial lasted 7 weeks, featured 34 prosecution witnesses, and Diddy's defense took a gamble by not calling a single one. The prosecution said Diddy ran a criminal empire and used his status to hide crimes. The defense argued it was all overblown, that his relationships were either genuine or purely business, never coercive. Diddy was first arrested back in September 2024 after dramatic raids at his homes in Los Angeles and Miami. And it all started with Cassie's civil complaint last November. So, what do I think? This is a stunning win for Diddy, and a huge setback for federal prosecutors. What about you? Drop your reactions in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe on Judgment Point for more verdicts and breaking news. The next big story could be just around the corner. Subscribe for more verdicts and updates, and thanks for watching.